town called Littleton. Parang hillside siya going to the beach or to the lake. Yeah, tapos yan. It's very beautiful. Very colorful siya kahit gabi. Although some shops are already closed, but it's very, very colorful. Weekdays, kaya close the shop. Pero the shops, the diners, some stores maybe, ganda. Very, very, very creative. Ganda mga designs. So you can see over there. I don't know if that's a park. I think that's a park. Very colorful din ang mga designs nila. It's like, sabi nung kasama namin, ni Bradja, it's like a town away from Christchurch but still inside Christchurch. Like, look at that house. Very ganda. And here is a statue of a dog which read, it's a sled dog. Kumabasa. But it's a sort of a thing with sled dogs. Dogs actually moving. So very, okay, let's find out some more in a while. We're inside the Middleton Library. Nice place. Love it. Good name for a restaurant. It's called Num Num. This is Albion Square. Look at that car. There. So we just start walking again to the other side of the street. Now, nagpalit lang ng parking lots. Ng parking mark. Malayo kasi kanina doon kami sa what street is that? I forgot. Pero pababa kanina, so dito lang is accessible. Madaling hanapin.